Well, welcome to the final one. Well done for those people that have got all the way through, all 24 videos. Extremely well done. And don't forget, there are other videos you can look at. You can always rewind these things. You can go at double speed. But everything we've gone through in these 24 videos are what you're expecting to face in your exams, or your assessments, as I should say. This question asks us to fill in this table here based on what we know here. The only bit of information we really do have is here. 90 degrees represents 12 people. So I know that's 12 people, and that's half of that, so it's going to be 6. That's half of it, that's going to be 6. So I know that France is 6, Wales is 6. And then look, I know that that means that's 12 and 12, that's 24 in this half, so it'd be 24 in that half. And I can see, right, how am I going to split that up? Well, 120 degrees is a third, isn't it? It's a third of the total group. And if I know there are 48 in total, I can then do a third of 48. And on my calculator, that comes out 16. So therefore 16, and I know that's 120 degrees, so that's 180, so it's going to be 60 degrees. And I know that also if that's 16 and that's 24, there's going to be another 8 there. There's lots of ways of doing that, but that's kind of a nice intuitive way of solving that one. And then we get to the final question that you're going to have to hear me on, and that's this one here, and that's actually drawing a pie chart. And here we've got the breed of dogs, and these tell you the breed. And there are two ways to do this. I'm going to look at the numbers and see if the numbers help me in how to do this. So in order to do it, I need to put all the breeds in this circle here. So I need to know the total number. So it's late in the day, I'm tired, I'm going to use my calculator. So I'm going to add these numbers together, and this one might, it depends on the numbers, but it might be that I have to use my calculator. Oh, 36. I know that there are 36 breeds mentioned here. So I know that I've got 360 degrees to fill with these 36. So each breed, how much does each dog of each breed take? Well, it's 360 degrees, and I know there are 36 dogs. So if I divide it by 36, I get each dog is worth 10 degrees. Each dog is worth 10 degrees. So what I can do is I can work out the angle here by simply timesing the frequencies by 10 each time. Because that should come to, when I add it all together, it should come to 360. So it's 110, 70, 40, 140. And let's just count that up and make sure I do get 360 just as a check. So 110 plus my 70 plus my 40 plus my 140 equals 360. Boom. So how do I actually draw it? Well, I get my tractor. I'm going to start with the spaniel. I think it's a spaniel. 110 degrees. The 0 goes along the north line, and I mark it off at 110. Then I get my ruler and mark it off, and I write spaniel, and I could write 110 degrees there. Now what I need to do is, that becomes my new 0 line, so I'm going to turn it around so it's facing north for me, and I'm going to measure 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Boom. Now actually, I know that those two added together make 180 degrees. Oh, it's frozen.